This is an overview to show you how to get started using the Gmaps MODX add-on. So you install it like you do other MODX components under the System Package Management menu, and you can either look for it on the MODX repo or install it locally. But after you've clicked install, you'll notice that it's installed a series of snippets, the geolocation, Gmap, and Gmarker snippets, and it has a plugin as well for geocoding. And there's a few other related chunks as well. After you install this, you'll probably want to head over to System Settings, and you'll want to configure a couple things. If you search by the area, there are a series of Gmaps settings here, and one of the ones you'll probably want to set is the Google Maps API key. You can get that in your Google control panel. There are several settings in here that you may not need. Some of these just make it easier for you to use the snippets by giving you default parameters. The probably most important one to set besides the API key is the formatting string. And what that is going to do is on a page where you've got different template variables that contain address information, you want to format that into a way that identifies the address. So if you put your address information in your page title, you can very simply just type in the page title placeholder and be done with it. Or if you've got template variables, you'd want to spell that out so that when this formatting string gets parsed, it ends up with an address that you might be able to type into a Google Maps search bar. The latitude and longitude template variables also need to be set. So in my example, I've just named my two template variables latitude and longitude. Finally, if you want to use the geocoding, the way that this works is it expects that you've got one or more templates that is containing address information. So in this site, I've just got the one template. Let's assume that I've got my address, city, state, and zip template variables assigned to this one template. I'm going to look at the template ID in the parentheses, which is 1, and I'm going to type in that number here. And that tells the plugin that when you're saving a page that is using this template to try to look up the latitude and longitude based on the formatting string here. So that's what triggers the geocoding plugin. Hope that gets you going. Look to the wiki for some more detailed examples.